Beginning of day one, it was very good. I had heard all your sections, and I felt like more connected with UST now. Like the vision of UST with GMN's vision, and all this made me it made me feel a part of UST a little more. And I felt like I can also connect with the vision what GMN had it through the session. And also I to have a bigger dream in my life to start a company or become a leader. So servant leadership might be this workshop might be a starting step for me to start my journey towards servant leadership. I might start inhabiting this all these sessions vision and everything into me, and soon I'll also become someone who can inspire others, become a great leader. By the end of the day, the first thing I got is inclusivity into the UST team by the vision and everything. And one more is inspiration. I got inspired by the thought process, like when they said that Forbes 100 companies also, most of them follow the servant leadership. I felt like, yeah, so if we can inhabit these habits into us, inculcate these habits, might be someday we will also become a leader who others can look up to. Every company has many employees. As an individual, when you start to inculcate some habits, it will start to grow from individual to a team, then a company, from a branch to other branch, and slowly it will how it's gonna spread across all the people, and everyone having the same vision might be helpful to UST in the future. I feel like I regret that many of my friends didn't even come up to MSLA, and I feel like when after this 2 days workshop, when I go to office, I'll be a little bit different person what I was before at workplace than now, and I might be giving my best than before. Like I was fresher, so like coming directly to office and starting with work and everything, I felt like, am I doing the right thing getting into UST? Firstly, I had this doubt for a while, but even then, after 2 days of workshop, I felt like, yeah, at least I'm having a vision what they have. So feeling inclusivity made me better.